If you took a look over your shoulder, saw me standing there, but you give me a wave. And if I part this ocean in between us.
Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to Keon Street. The key item in the brief was to maximise storage options, allowing an allocated space for everything. By utilising the high ceiling heights, we've been able to add large open shelving. The joinery utilises the warmth of the clear ash to connect and create flow to the outside decking. We've used a timber-like product from Tesserol for the bench seat surround, and we've paired it with a clear ash handle next to it. So to keep the laundry feeling light, airy and fresh, we wanted to add subtle textures and dimension, but keep everything predominantly white and clean. To create this effect, we've used the white in the leather pull handles, the Kit Kats for the splashback, and of course the stunning white tapware from ABI Interiors. So for the ensuite, we've managed to pack a lot into this small space, such as a new enclosed shower, a back-to-wall toilet with a built-in cistern, and a new vanity. So the existing ceiling was already very high, and to create the illusion of extra width and depth, we've laid the Kit Kat tiles horizontally. This ensuite is for our client's younger daughter. The dynamic contrast between the white tiles and the pink terrazzo allowed us to create layers of texture, whilst infusing a sense of playfulness and fun in the space. What made this project so successful is that each space has its own unique personality.